Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm preparing for my family baked chicken. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Thank you. This is for all of my subscribers today. To my returning subscribers, God bless you. Thank you a million. You are my MVP. Without you, there'd be no new subscribers. And to the brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. Those of you who are just following, you're watching, but you still haven't subscribed us yet. I don't know what you're waiting on, but I would suggest that you subscribe today. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell at the same time. Ring that bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Come on, man. Join your Caribbean cousin today. God bless you and continue watching. Received a few messages the other day via Instagram. Persons wanting to financially support this work that I'm doing. My brothers and sisters, there are 2 links in the description box below. Go ahead, make use of them. And I must say, God bless you in advance. I appreciate it. Whatever you did, whatever it is, whatever you send, God bless you. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Please leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Be sure to check out the description box now. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.